I mean, I could have made do with a plus 13 sword early on in the game. Bookcase, bookcase. Nothing here. Hello.
There's
no room for that.
What is it even? Oh, it's just heal. Bookcase, bookcase. Scroll of some kind. Scroll of some
There's
kind.
no room for that.
And apparently we don't have enough perception to find anything else. Or if we do, I don't know if we have it. Dang it. I could do without the shooting projectiles. Thank you very much. Refreshing. Not very refreshing. And I can see there's this huge pile of treasure over there, and I'm like, I want it. How do I get it? But honestly, I don't know how to get out there and to get it. It'd be nice if I knew, but I don't. It seems like there's some hidden doorway up top above us. Guess we'll just have to explore out up here then? I don't know. Switch. 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 Switch of some kind. Nah, I can't find it even if it does exist. Sorry, folks. Ow! Dang it. It's nice that we was able to find that artifact, but I can't find anything else here. Treasure, treasure, treasures of all kinds. Seemingly with no way inside of that one room. Button. We already pushed the button. Maybe we can... Nope, doesn't reward you for a second bout of stupidity. Darn it. Well, I can't find anything here, folks. I'm gonna have to give up on searching here. Torch is supposed to be like that? I guess so.
Run for your lives!
Let's get out of here. I don't know if there's any hidden way up there or whatnot. If there is, it's a secret to me. Well, we didn't get very much experience, but we got a ton of other things here. So, I'd consider that an unqualified success. And what can we do? Ah, I know one thing we can do. Take this ring. Remove, remove this ring, I guess. Put this on. And now he regenerates spell points. Then we cast Water, Town Portal, Water, Town Portal, Celeste. And we can't fly in the middle of town, despite them obviously flying.
Get out! Move! Move it! Move it!
But yes, we're gonna head back to Gavin Magnus's throne room, open up those chests, and we'll take out that chain, and we'll be able to replace our dwarf's chainmail with something a lot better. Which will be nice. But yeah, whenever you're done with the Halls of the Mist, if you ever feel like going back inside of there for whatever reason, you can feel free to do so at your own leisure. It'll respawn as many times as you want.
There's no room! There's no room!
Swap that out.
There's no room for that. There's no room for that.
Oh, come on.
There's no room for that. There's no room for that.
Okay, I get the idea. There's no room for that. Put it in here, and there we go. Alright, that's pretty good for right now, so I think I'll pause it right here, and whenever we come back, we'll continue with where we're going. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you will continue to watch. And I hope that this has been entertaining to you, as it has been entertaining for me playing. Thank you all for watching, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.